If there would be healing for a world where injustice reigns in most communities, if racial division and rancor are to be healed, if a brother will not take up arms against a brother, satisfaction is needed. Reparation and restitution have a way of bringing sound and healthy closure to injuries and hurt. As we reflect on these words, perhaps we can think of how to restore whatever we may have broken or return something we took. Perhaps we need to offer something up for someone we wounded, identifying with Christ's cross in reparation for our sins and those of the whole world. What a joy to do so. God love you and God bless you.